Okay, so this is just a reminder of what we went through in the training this morning about how to create a lesson video with Keynote. We talked about the fact that if you have a PowerPoint, that you can press the three dots here, that you can open that in another app and select Keynote for that. So copy that to Keynote so that you don't have to remake any Keynotes where you already have a PowerPoint that you've created. Most of the fonts will be the same, some will be slightly different, so you might have to titivate with it a little bit, but it should be absolutely fine. In terms of adding the audio, we said you just press the plus button and record audio, and then record whatever it is that you want to put into your lesson video. This means that when the video is playing, it's going to play your audio on top with the instructions, etc., that will really help the students to access the learning. And of course, with a video, it means that they can do it at their own pace as well, and rewind, etc., fast forward. So you just press insert once your audio is done. And now it's just a case of saving it as an actual video. And to do that, press the three dots, export as a movie, and then you choose the slide range. Remember, we said this is really useful if you have a whole scheme of learning this morning. So if you have a whole scheme of learning, you can choose, say, slides 10 to 15 or whatever it is that's appropriate for that movie. And that means you don't have to keep chopping and changing and making up other keynotes. So once you've selected whatever slides you want, decide on the transitions between slides and how long you want for that, and how long between builds, which are basically animations, and export that. And once that's exported, you're going to get the opportunity to save it wherever you want to save it. I tend to save them into my photos, and hopefully that will come up in just a moment so I can show you that. And then I tend to put them into my OneDrive so I can put them in the OneDrive for the students. But wherever you're using on cloud storage, that's what you'll be able to save that in. So hopefully that's useful to you. And do let me know on our Twitter at hearts_RTC how you're getting on with that and what you've actually done. So there we go, saved video, and now that's in my album. Thank you once again if you joined us for the CPD this morning, and do keep an eye out. It was great to see such numbers on that, and have a nice day, everyone.